110 Britannia,
which comes with
Swift.
yes.
As you all know, we're using Swift at this moment. We really don't know.
We don't know.
In terms of debt.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes, today's video.
Okay guys, let's talk. Let's talk XRP. We're not talking crypto, guys.
Yes.
We are not talking crypto. I know the community, how they feel about crypto.
Yeah.
It's something that XRP
we just find out
it's going to interlink with CBDC. So it's gonna work. It's gonna be
working together.
It's news combined. Yes, guys.
That we've been talking about all along.
Yeah, we want to get it off our chest. Yes. So before that, let's start there. Let's not forget our 1,000 subscriber celebration, which is a 1 ounce silver Kruger and a 1/10 ounce gold. And for 800 celebration, it's a 1/10 gold, guys. And the stickers. Okay. And yes, thanks for reminding. And we close to 400. This is our 400. We have a 400 giveaway video. We will leave a link on the description below. We are close to 400. This is our giveaway.
Yes.
110 Britannia,
which comes with
commemorative coin, which comes with obviously
so many N,
the awesomeness, the stick.
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Yeah. Don't forget
to entered. We leave the video for 400. Yeah,
everything is mentioned on that video. We leave it on the description below for 400 giveaway. Okay, it's just a reminder. Okay, let's get to it, guys. XRP. Ripple, guys. XRP. Yes. Guys, as we mentioned, that CBDC is going to use the Ripple network, guys. CBDC, they've planned this long ago that XRP.
This song.
Yeah, we have. We did mention it in the past in one of our videos that XRP is going to be nominated, to be chosen to work along with CBDC. We mentioned the Simpsons. I remember talking about the Simpsons. But the thing that we forgot to mention is that rumors. I would say rumors because it's not information that is accurate. I would say rumors that the ex-United States president said that buy XRP. Those are the rumors. He said that buy XRP.
You can leave a comment below
if we
are accurate.
If we are accurate or not. Yes, it did mention, but they speak in codes, guys. Whenever they say things like that, he spoke. I don't know whether it was one of his speech, but he spoke in codes that you need to buy XRP. Okay, all right, guys. So to be using the CBDC will be using Ripple
system, which is
the Ripple system, which is ISO Ripple ISO 20022. Yeah, I think. Yeah, Ripple ISO 20022. Just go search it out. You'll find out for yourself.
It's coming soon. Soon.
It is really coming soon.
Before the end of this year.
Yes, the thing that is holding it up now is this court case that they have with SEC. SEC, yeah, that's the court case that they have. I think clarity will be brought on September. So I think by September, I don't know whether they announce the news or what sort, or they'll speak in codes.
But there will be something big after September.
Yes, and XRP will skyrocket. It will go up, guys. Okay.
Yes.
It will go up, and then they'll need something to calm it down and bring it down.
Yes.
Something like a disaster or something. I don't know what disaster it's going to be.
Come this time.
It will come. It will come to just calm it down as they always do.
Yes.
To bring the market down, they need a disaster to come into play, so it breaks the market.
So that they can implement it.
Yeah. So that will be the thing that it's going to be happening.
Yeah. We just find out.
We found that we need to take it off our chest and let the community know that something big is going to happen with XRP. XRP, even Afroforum.
They've
spoken about it. They say it's a perfect system for CBDC. They've mentioned that it's a perfect system for CBDC, and it's good and it's cheap as well. So the main aim for a Ripple network is to replace the Swift.
Yes.
As you all know, we're using Swift at this moment.
That's true.
So for CBDC, I think they had to replace Swift with that system that we've mentioned, the Ripple ISO 20022.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the system that's going to replace Swift. So yeah,
I wonder what's gonna happen to silver.
I don't know with silver. I think it's going to shoot up. I'm not too sure.
I think it's going to shoot up since it's down at the moment.
Yeah, I think silver as well. It has gone down to $23 some change.
Which is most of it said like a support level.
Yeah, it says reach its support level, guys. When we talk in terms of charts, that's $23. It's silver support level. So silver at this moment, it's at its support level. So
which means it can go
either
way
way.
up
It can go
way
up.
down.
It can go up or it can go down. So it can take either direction. So which direction, we really don't know, because if it breaks this support level of $23 and go below, it might go a long way down. It might really go a long way down. But if it breaks it,
to buy more and more.
Exactly, guys.
We won't see that as a loss.
We're not sad about that. We will celebrate if it goes up. If it goes down, we will celebrate still. Either way, we are happy. Either way, any way it goes. But I know the community is going to hate me for this one. I wish it breaks this support level of $23 and go perish and go down. So we can accumulate more, guys, because we need more and more of this stuff.
Before the whole crisis comes up.
Yeah, before everything arise from the dust, because it's still on the dust, and it's about to arise. Okay.
And they've been warning about the climate change, climate this. We're waiting. We don't know.
Yeah, yes, that could be the black swan, guys.
That can bring everything down.
The climate change. That could be the black swan. That could just destroy it, bring the market down, bring it to its knees, because they need something like that.
Crisis.
That is how we work. That is how they work. I mean, that is how they operate. So yeah, it could be climate change that will bring everything down. Okay.
But you must watch out. Go check that Ripple system.
Yeah, go do your own research.
We're
okay.
not financial advisors.
We are not financial advisors. We're not saying anybody must go buy XRP. It's just something that we feel we should bring across to the community and just make the community aware of something that's about to happen.
Yes.
Okay, because basically.
But on the CBDC, we don't know how the security will be, since they will be the one who control it.
Yeah, we really don't know, but they've mentioned that that system, Ripple ISO, it's more secure than Swift. So that's why they're moving away from Swift, because they're finding loopholes, vulnerability on Swifts. They say that Ripple is much more secure. That's why they're moving away.
In terms of tracing?
In terms of tracing, we really don't know.
We don't know.
In terms of debt,
maybe yes, they master the crypto tracing thing.
Yeah, you
never know.
Yeah, you can just research more on that one, guys. Okay. Yeah. All right. I think today's video was just about that awareness to the community. Please like and subscribe. Yes, and please.
The Gaza are on.
Gaza on. Let's not forget them. We want to celebrate there, but let's start here. Let's conquer that goal.
Yeah, almost there.
Then shoot up to that one. Maybe along the way from 5 to 6, there could be another pit stop similar to that one. Yes. Never know. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks to our subscriber. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe and enter the guys. Yes. Because yeah. Okay. All right. Let's end it there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.